God, it's not electrified. You go first.
It wouldn't be electrified. Wait, is it?
I don't know, touch it.
No, it's just...
Well, that, what about the actual fence itself?
No. Oh wow, you're so strong. Wow, okay. This is the whole place then?
You can go up on the roof.
Really? This is cool. Being bad is pretty fun. Glory hole? That's a massive fucking glory hole. This is actually hella sick.
It was like an outside garage kind of thing.
Oh, looks about right. Wow. What did this place used to be? Do you know?
Some sort of like textile factory, I think.
Sounds about right. And then they outlawed slavery, correct? And then they had to shut it down. God, massive donger fit through this. Might have been my own. I don't know. Like, what is this shit? Like, is this shit that just fell off the fucking ceiling?
Yep.
Jeez, that's a little worrying.
So we can go this way.
Mm-hmm.
Up these stairs and then through the window. And just hope there's not. So you're gonna want to be a little careful.
Yeah, my tremendous weight. Gonna sink it.
Oh, it's $1 bill.
Oh wow. I touch it, but it looks like it's covered in AIDS.
You wanna go in first?
Mm-hmm. I did say ladies first after all. Wow. You said you've seen homeless people in here?
What?
You've seen homeless people in here?
No,
you
I
said?
haven't.
Oh, okay.
I know that there's one in there. These stairs are over there.
Oh, wow, okay.
Careful, these floors in here are not really loud.
Oh, I've walked on some pretty bad floors in my time. I guess. It's annoying because you can hear my heart ticking in like just any videos I take now.
But they're also the wood floors anyway, so.
Yeah, so, I mean, wood's no good. I don't know why we build houses out of it. 100?
50 years? 50 years?
Oh, it's a can of whoop ass.
100% with that.
Mm-hmm. Oops. Wow, wow. We didn't come in this room, I don't think, did we? Oh, we did? Okay, I just didn't see it from this angle. What was this place called?
It's the Sinclair factory.
Sinclair Factory, okay. Oh, okay, okay, there's stairs here. I like that.
Fuck you.
That too.
I was saying that too about that.
Oh.
You wanna go up first?
Sure. Oh, this is a lot better up here. I'll kill you in your dreams tonight. Sure thing.
More like this to be seen as long as that's yours.
True. Yeah, it looks like carpeting. Whoa, 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 whoa. Is this like part of the floor? What is this shit? Yo, so that's where that door leads to. They weren't home.
No, someone could be. It's my favorite.
Oh, fuck me in the mouth. Okay, I see what you mean now. This is fucking, yeah, this is fucking beautiful though. This is the even better view.
Oh yeah, people can definitely see us up in here, so let's not go out here. So yeah, it's never. I used to chill on it, but no, people can literally see us. Like there's people out there. Like
What if I was to crawl?
that's even more suspicious. We can come back a different time.
You sure anybody
Go
could
back
see
a
us?
different time.
Oh, it's so cool in here. I love it.
It's America Man. I'm like, I don't.
But then it kind of
And
feeds.
then it just, yeah, and then like there's more. And I don't even want to watch it. And then it just
All right, that was cool. It's a nice little diversion. Oh, can we go to the basement through this way?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, of course we can. I thought you said there were stairs.
You can go around and find this. This is where it was flooded.
Scary.
We walked across there and went into the.
It's all rusty. Yeah, let's bust that shit. I can see why you were spooked by this place.
Yeah, I told you. I had to go in here at night.
At night? See, there's also like mud and shit down here. Oh shit, yeah. Slippery slidey, me boy. So I thought, yeah. It's water. Mm-hmm. Do you feel the mud between your toes?
No.
Someone's glove? Someone's severed hand? Severed hand. Going severed hand. What was that?
I guess it either fell or we're not alone.
You sure? It's like an abandoned ice skating rink now. Of how much ice there is on the floor. Holy shit.
Cool.
Because helps to not be fat, man. It's a cool view. Oh, here's a Christmas tree. I was talking about. Oh no, there's a few Christmas trees. There's one there's a big one right there. Oh, there's a big one right there. You could celebrate Christmas up here. It's a neat American flag. It's all like fucking ripped to motherfucking shreds. Shit. This looks like a deep, dark abyss down there. I can't even see where that goes. I just want to get a picture of this. Oh, that's beautiful. Narnia?
Rise of the Tomb Raider.
Oh, yeah.
It's very much
This looks really cool. Very nice contrast against like,
the rooftop.
yeah. Oops.
These bricks look so new.
They kind of do.
It's kind of weird. Like, clean. Like
Besides the
new.
pea stain. There's like little snowflakes blowing in through the open window.
I know. Look how icicles in here.
Oh shit. Gives it a very spooky looking vibe. Like we're in Mr. Freeze's ice cream lair.
Yes.
Like it looks so tasty. I just want to.
Like his lair with all the equipment too.
Yeah, it does. I just want to climb up and just have a lick. It looks so tasty. I could just climb up all this copper rusty piping and just get a lick. Just a quick lick. You know? Oh my god, yeah. That's kind of cool how it freezes like that. Like, you don't know what this is.
It's ice.
Yeah, but that's what I'm getting at. Like, you don't know what it is until you, like, get up close to it and it's like, oh, it's literally a big sheet of fucking ice. Holy shit. Holy fuck, yeah, it's like,
floods.
it's like flooded, but it's like frozen.
Yeah.
Holy fuck. This is so cool. let me look at this. Holy shit. It's just like, this is just huge chunks of ice. It's like makes up the whole floor. It's so thick. Like, these are like at least a good few inches thick.